Shown here and also linked in the description box below are all of the items that you'll need to make this card. It's really simple. All that you really need is a pencil, your base paper, a black pen, and then a silver pen. The first step is to take your pencil and simply draw out the design, which consists of the lettering Happy Birthday and then the circles on your card. A super easy way to customize this would be, of course, to change the placement of the circles. Then, once you have everything drawn out in pencil, switch over to your thin black pen and simply outline the lettering. I created a bit of a calligraphy style or script effect by simply thickening the downstroke of each letter. Once I'd outlined everything, I just went back in with the same thin black pen and essentially just filled in or colored in each of the letters to complete the happy birthday script there in the middle of the card. Once you have the lettering complete, the next step is to move on to these circle elements on the card. So I simply continued on with the same thin black pen. This is a Faber-Castell pen in size S, and I simply just outlined the circles. And then on a few of the circles, instead of doing a solid black outline, I just drew a bunch of small little dots around the pencil line that I'd previously drawn. Then the final step of this card is to simply go back in and color in each of the circles. Here I chose to use a silver pen. This is the Silver Michaels Recollections pen series, and they come as a set of 3, or I think you can also buy them individually. And again, a super easy way to customize this card would be to simply change the color pen here that you're using for these circle accents. And once you've finished coloring all of them in using whatever pen color you ended up deciding on, this happy birthday card is complete.